Yeah. Why Irma?
Oh my god. Why Irma? Yeah, I'm interested in rural management. I want to learn this program and to explore the opportunities. That's all.
Yeah. What is rural?
Everyone has their own definition in terms of figures and everything. I'll define as rural as a small place where people live, where their real Indian culture lies.
Can you tell me why Irma?
Yeah, see, it's a very tricky question. I really don't know how to answer it. I mean,
It is not urban, that is called rural.
Thank you.
Why Irma? Because Irma is like a dream come true when you come to Irma. Irma is the best option we have up till now for rural management. Rural is what Irmans work for, and rural is somebody's life. The whole life of the agricultural people and the people who live in villages or the places where there's lesser amenities. So I think.
What is rural?
The areas which are still potentially very untapped, probably I'll call them rural.
Why Irma?
A change of perspective, probably.
Which perspective?
Let's say I'm in the IT industry now, so maybe I just want to switch over to something where I can
Use
better-
my IT knowledge into rural development.
Exactly. It's basic. It's not good, na?
Okay. What is rural to you?
rural management is so cool, no? Working with rural people and all those dhoti-clad people and the photogenic people. Instagram पे photos डालने को मिलेगा, no? इतना सारा.
Why do you want to come to Irma? What is rural?
Okay.
Something that needs to be developed, something that is still in the very basic state.
When as correct in the dictionary of Oxford as well, they describe like this, that the rural comes from the rustic. There some rules and regulation was not there, or they not follow the rules and regulation. That means there have need to be development.
And like when you say something like this, as these two episodes, they said that there are slums in the city, don't they need to be developed? So I would really appreciate if when the people come to give their interview and the present batches would tell them what is rural. A proper definition from your batches. We deserve that much. We have come from different places. Why Irma? Okay. This is a good thing. Matlab, which answer do you want? The
Honest answer, real answer, not an interview kind of answer.
Okay, honestly, for myself and not to be disclosed to my parents, I want it because I think I'll get a more relaxed life over there. I don't want a private, these private lives where you go at around 7, 8 o'clock in the morning and there's no coming back then, no fixed time for you to come back. Seriously, that's my funda.
Correct. Actually, for myself, Irma is because I have some business plans. They works, or the business plans is only for the Irma, or I want what he said. There have the life is very sexy and very calm and cool. So I like that.
Why Irma?
As a student or as a faculty?
Why Irma?
No, as a student. As a student. That was the best business school in India at that point of time, yeah.
Why Irma? Tell why Irma, why, what do you think?
First of all, it's the best preschool, rural exposure. The next big thing would be in rural, basically.
Why best?
What's the next best thing in rural?
Like, yeah, basically all the companies.
Development has to reach rural area.
What is rural India?
What is rural?
Rural India we all know about it.
That's all. Don't tell what is rural.
What is rural?
I mean, if this question is asked, what is rural?
Rural is a place where there are lack of infrastructure, first basically, and if we go by the technical definition, it's like a place where there are only 400 people living per square kilometer. It doesn't have any
So
bound
Irma is
specific.
also rural.
Irma is
So Irma is
it's like
also
technical.
rural.
In Wikipedia, rural is specified in these technical terms. That's all.
You tell me.
Why
Irma?
Irma is my only call, and I don't want to work in Infosys, so I want to come to
Because Irma is my first choice. Anyway, see what I'm working now, I don't find that much meaning really. And I want to see myself like after 5 years, 10 years, I can say that I have done something.
What is rural?
Rural which do not come under the regulations of any what we say urban rural is a word which do not come. Rural is a place where
Okay. Can you tell me why, Irma?
I know why this happens and I'm not gonna do this. I've seen that video.
Yeah.
No ways. I'm really sorry.
Tell me why, Irma?
Because I am a son of a farmer, and I want to do many things for that. Many things for them. Like in education and transportation system. These are the things that I am looking after.
Okay.
Rural means they are deprived of many things. They are away. They are away from the society, away from the cities, towns, or something that are more not civilized. They are more developed.
So you are afraid of answering to the camera, and you will not be afraid of answering to the panel.
No, I am not afraid.
You know who are in the panel?
Yeah,
Your panel today.
I played
Football.
football with the panelists, so I am quite confident that.
But you don't have an answer.
No, I do have.